Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today, we are unboxing an external monitor stand to tidy up my desk and improve ergonomics. I ordered this from Amazon. It's the Flux Wooden Monitor Stand in white. Let's open the box and see what's inside. The packaging is neat, with styrofoam protection and shrink wrapping. The first thing we see is the main wooden board, shrink wrapped for protection. Below it, we find some hardware components. Let's remove the wrap and take a closer look. Inside the box, we have two metallic legs that serve as the stand's support, a small packet of hardware, including screws and an Allen key, a cashback card, probably encouraging positive reviews, and instruction guide for assembly. Now, let's inspect the components. The board has a matte finish, but the lamination at the edges isn't perfect. Surprisingly, the bottom side has a glossy finish. The metal legs are black with a basic paint job, but in some areas, you can see weld spatters due to the glossy coating. The bottom of the legs has rubber pads for extra grip. Time to assemble. The stand comes with 4 screws and an Allen key. We align the screws, tighten them securely, and that's it, assembly complete. The stand looks great on my desk. The metal legs take up minimal space, and the white board adds a touch of elegance. Now, I'll quickly set up my monitor and laptop. The keyboard easily slides underneath, creating a clean and organized desk look. There's also space beside the monitor for my mobile stand and other essentials. I can even place my Kindle here for a quick break from work. Once I'm done working, I can push the keyboard and mouse inside, freeing up additional desk space. My monitor's light bar adds a nice illumination, making it ideal for reading, writing, or working on documents. Speaking of reading, I'm about to dive into my Autocar magazine now. Overall, I'm happy with this purchase. The quality could be slightly better, but for just 600 rupees, it's a great buy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.